Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to link pages in HTML and CSS. So if you want to go ahead and try to see something onto your website just like this, and if you click onto this, it is actually linked onto another website or page. So here's a step-by-step guide onto how to do that. So this is the basic HTML code that we have as of the moment right now onto our Visual Studio Code. So we have it in here, the how to link pages in HTML and CSS. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to change this one out. So we'll try to change this, we'll remove this one, and we'll try to do something within the code so that we could go ahead and make this clickable and it will redirect us onto Google's website. Now, so you can see, I've gone ahead and already updated the code in here. So inside the body, instead of just adding this text in here, so this was supposed to be this one, the how to link pages in HTML and CSS. I've just changed this to link, and then I've added this also since I want this to be inside the link. So that we can add in something for this, we've added this code or this line. It has ahref, then the website or another page that we want to be into. So for example, Google's website, and then we have it like that, and it is inside this one. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and try to view that one onto the live server. So let's gonna refresh that, and as you can see, it changed the link already, and if I click onto that, it will redirect to Google. And that's just basically it onto linking pages. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.